Water. Bring it to boil. 3 cup boiled chickpeas. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. 1 teaspoon sugar. A half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. Mix well. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. 3 tablespoon tamarind pulp. A half cup water. 2 tablespoon corn flour. Mix well. Stir continuously. Cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. One cup boiled potatoes cut in cubes. 3 green chilies chopped. Mix well. Cook on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Onion as per required. 1 tomatoes cut in cubes. 2 tablespoon fresh coriander leaves. Paprika as per required. Sprinkle chaat masala.